Despite this phone, the Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus that I got from Tecno, because the Spark 40 series has already launched, being the thinnest smartphone within its price range at just 6.49mm, Tecno managed to get a 5200 mAh battery into this phone. And that's not the only thing that Tecno managed to do. This phone goes for less than 30,000 Kenya shillings, and with this phone you also get free link. Free link allows you to make calls and send messages without network signal, as long as the person you are calling or texting has also the same feature, the free link. So let's talk about it. In the box, you get the phone cover, screen protector with an instruction card on how to install it, 45-watt charger, and a 24+1 month warranty. On the box, it's written 12+1 months, but it's actually 24+1 month warranty. Getting 25 months warranty really shows that Tecno trusts the work that they did with the Tecno Spark 40 series. The display is 1.5K AMOLED 144Hz with peak brightness of 4500 nits. The Corning Gorilla Glass 7i gives the Spark 40 Pro Plus a 1.5 meter drop resistance. The curved display gives the Pro Plus the look to match the power that it holds. This is an IP64 dust and water resistant smartphone. This is a 4.5G smartphone with a MediaTek Helio G200 chipset. With its price range, the chipset is the best for photo processing, AI power, and general processing. The OS is Android 15 alongside the HiOS 15, which is upgradable. The GPU is Mali G57, and the chipset and the GPU will allow you to game on the Spark 40 Pro Plus. The RAM option you get is 8GB, which is expandable to 16GB. The internal storage is 128GB of internal storage or 256GB, and you also get an SD card slot in case this is not enough for you. The design of the housing of the rear camera really gives the Spark 40 Pro Plus a unique look. In this design is a 50 megapixel wide lens on the rear camera and an auxiliary lens. The rear camera is able to shoot 2K videos. The front camera is 13 megapixel, shooting 1080p videos. Despite this phone being so thin, the battery is an impressive 5200 mAh, charging at 45 watts wired, 30 watts wireless. The fingerprint sensor is under the display, and you also get a very fast face unlock on the Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus. This phone is available to pre-order with just 2000 Kenya shillings from today, 10th of July 2025 to 20th of July 2025, and it will be going for 21,999. And when you pre-order by scanning this QR code, you get either a free magnetic power bank or a normal 10,000 mAh power bank. You will also get the 2000 Kenya shillings cash back when you pre-order. The cheaper option, which is the Tecno Spark 40 Pro, is going for 19,499 Kenya shillings, and all these pre-order offers apply to the Tecno Spark 40 Pro as well. So scan this QR code with your 2000 Kenya shillings and pre-order the Tecno Spark 40 Pro Plus or the Tecno Spark 40 Pro. Stick around, guys.